Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to see how good is your general knowledge. Take this question-answer fun quiz, the find out before that. So don't forget, subscribe the channel to playing more quizzes, fun quizzes. So alright, let's play quiz. Which country has two capitals? A. France. B. Bolivia. C. Germany. D. Italy. Answered B. Bolivia. Pravda was the newspaper of A. America. B. China. C. Germany. D. Soviet Union. Answer D. Soviet Union. Who is first lady fighter pilot of Pakistan? A. Ghazala Suleiman. B. Maliha Sami. C. Shukaria Khanam. D. Ayesha Farouk. Answer D. Ayesha Farouk. Africa's tallest mountain, the Mount Kilimanjaro, is located in which country? A. South Africa. B. Tanzania. C. Zimbabwe. D. Nigeria. Answer B. Tanzania. Which city becomes world's highest baseball field? A. Skardu, Pakistan. B. Tokyo, Japan. C. Leadville, Colorado. D. La Paz, Bolivia. Answer Skardu, Pakistan. How many dams are in Pakistan? A. 100 dams. B. 150 dams. C. 200 dams. D. 250 dams. Answer B. 150 dams. How many languages and dialects are spoken by people all over the world? A. 6,000. B. 9,000. C. 4,000. D. 1,000. Answer B. 9,000. Approximately, how many people speak Chinese language? A. 1 billion. B. 1 million. C. 1 lakh. D. 1,000. Answer a 1 billion. The language with the richest vocabulary is A. Hindi. B. French. C. English. D. German. Answer C. English. English language have more than words. A. 4,50,000. B. 45,000. C. 4.500. D. 450. Answer a 450,000. Thanks for watching.